So this is Calriger solar ref generator. We're putting up a 100 watt panel for this house. This panel can produce 1000 watts per day. So with this panel, it is equipped with charger controller, digital series, so that you can program it to automatic light switch on and off during the time that you want it to switch on and to switch off. Then we have a 500 watts inverter that can support your 220 power. And at the same time, we have a 12 volts power line that will support the 12 volts appliances that we have, like the 12 volts light, 12 volts electric fan, and a lot of 12 volts that we have. So as you can see, we already set up a power line going all the way inside the house. So we have another power line here. So it's going down where they will meet the plug for the electric fan and for the light. Para may record tayo. Madali i-repair pag alam na natin. Ito nare-reinforce pa namin eh. Ito, Hong Kong naman ang mga units ng electric fan. Pag mga ganito, mas mataas ang expense pag mga Taiwan eh. Usually yung shipping namin galing Hong Kong port. Pero yan yung may mga warranty na. Kasi iba wala eh. Saka yung mga kinabit namin ibang ganito, almost 2-3 years. Okay pag isa. Madali rin yung parts niya, meron sa Philippines kasi.
Bakit commercial na rin?
Commercial dito yan, ginagamit sa mga malalaking bus, malalaking mga sasakyan, yung Mark III.
Okay.
So may mga parts siya na available. Kaya mas madali siyang i-set
Pero
up.
sa unit na
Buo na talaga siya.
na commercially may mga
SM wala pa eh. Ang meron pa lang yan, Ace Hardware, nag-start na sila ngayon. Although, mas mahal yung price nila. Pag baka first factory ng solar sa Pateros. Yun ang ini-aim ko eh. So this is the charger controller. As you can see, this is the line going from the panel going inside this charger controller. So with the charger controller, we can set the time when the lights will on and off, or the power will on and off. So it has a light sensor and digital setup power. So this is a reset button for the charger controller. So this is important because the charger controller that we have is like a computer. Sometimes it hangs, so we need to reset it. Some are just light support that will be used inside. So this is the terminal of the power Everyone is an indicator of different appliances. Like the first one is the solar fan. The second one is light. Third is also dining and kitchen light. This one is the outside light and the support power light. Positive and negative. Then it's going down all the way to the battery. So the battery is a 100 ampere industrial grade 12 volts battery. Then it's all the way going up here for the 12 volts power. So this is the main circuit breaker for the 12 volts power. And we have the fuse set. So every appliance has its own fuse set. Then at the same time, we are on the 12 volts converting to 220 volts. So we have the inverter, the 12 volts to 220 volts power inverter. You just need to put a extension wire if you want to use it. Then we have additional feature here, the grid support power. So if you have a low battery already, there will be an indicator here and on the charger controller, so you can plug this one to 220 so that it can recharge the battery that we have. So this one is 80 amperes per hour, enough to power and recharge a 100 ampere battery for almost 3 to 4 hours. So it's the same, you just need to plug it and all the way it will have some indicator here. If it turns yellow, that means the battery is already full. So this is the Calriger solar rev generator. So if you want to know more about this project, you can visit our website at www.calriger.com. And for our online shop, we have the www.gpsonlinetv.com. So see you around.